Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Number 9. Karal Kai Bedar Se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kinan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 8. Kalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The past of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sibilai. Number 7. Bir Geze Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector, determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 6. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardain with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his elder son Jivat returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man, and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. In the decades to follow, Jivat Shakir became the fisherman of Halikarnassus, one of Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Number 4. Kardel Landler. Hijran and Arif, a devoted couple married for 50 years, have dedicated their lives to raising their 5 children despite countless sacrifices and hardships, while Hijran's unboundless love and Arif's unwavering principles held the family together. Their children's selfish choices and betrayals led to heartbreak and chaos. A long awaited reunion with their estranged son Onur takes a devastating turn, leaving the family shattered by loss and adversity. Arif suffers a heart attack. The family rushed to take Arif to the hospital and tragically in a car accident where Onur and his wife lose their lives and Arif falls into coma. Rejected by their in-laws, Hijran is abandoned in a nursing home while Chinar and the children are left to fend for themselves. Hijran, her youngest son Chinar, and her grandchildren must navigate a harsh new reality as poverty and family conflicts intensify. Hijran and Arif's resilience and unconditional love become the foundation for their struggle to reunite their fractured family. In the face of betrayals and hardship, they strive to prove that no challenge is too great when it comes to the bond of family. Number 3. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jahan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question, is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for justice and love against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 2. Sahib Sizzler. The story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 1. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and slowed her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new football partner, Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior, Chino, reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. As Leila's thirst for revenge clashes with her rekindled feelings for Jivan, long buried family secrets come to light, forcing everyone to confront the wreckage of their past. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.